Struggling to decide where your service fits in Fiverr's vast marketplace? In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right gig category and subcategory to ensure your service gets seen by the right clients. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Selecting the correct category is crucial because it determines where your gig appears in Fiverr's search results and which clients discover your services. Let's find your perfect category match. First, think from your client's perspective. What category would they browse when looking for your service? Put yourself in their shoes and consider the search terms they'd use. This mindset shift will help you identify the most relevant category. Start typing your service in Fiverr's search bar and observe the auto-suggestions. These are based on popular searches and can give you valuable insights into how clients categorize services like yours. When creating your gig, you'll encounter two levels: main category and subcategory. Be as specific as possible. For example, don't just choose graphics and design. Drill down to logo design or brand style guides if that's your specialty. A crucial pro tip: research your competition. Look at successful sellers offering similar services and note which categories they're using. This not only validates your category choice but also helps you understand client expectations in that category. Consider your specialization carefully. If your service fits multiple categories, choose the one that best matches your unique offering. For instance, if you create explainer videos, you could fit under video and animation or video editing. Pick the one that aligns with your specific skills. And just like that, you've positioned your gig in the perfect spot to be discovered by your ideal clients. Proper categorization is like putting your store in the right shopping mall aisle. If this guide helped you find your category home, please give it a like. Have you ever been unsure between two different categories? Share your experience in the comments below. To continue building your gig, subscribe for our next video on how to set the perfect pricing for your Fiverr gig. Thanks for watching.